For anti-detect browsers, you can use to bypass affiliate network detection. An anti-detect browser is a web browsing application that employs technologies like data spoofing to safeguard user privacy. It creates a unique digital fingerprint and browser header. These browsers are frequently used for managing multiple social media accounts or enhancing privacy while browsing the internet. Here are the list of for anti-detect browser you can use. Note: all have a free limited version. Dolphin, it highly protective and has a free version. In fact, is the best. Incognito, maximum protection of your devices. Best in the market presently. Multi-login, no more less than others. Is amount the best anti-detect browser you can trust. Adds power, it protect your activities from being visible to the affiliate network. Subscribe to the channel to get notified. Also visit the website for more clue to cheat the affiliate network. .digitalyclub.com. You will be the first to be notified when video like this is dropped to the channel.